You need to start typing right now. It does not matter if you are typing while sipping your coffee or you are typing while at work. Just so you know, you can now type and start earning up to $75 from doing so. All you need to do is to make sure that you're following the instructions in the right way. There are also hacks when you don't feel like typing, such as copying and pasting documents. See, it is easy to make money online. So, stay tuned until the end of this video to know how you can earn money online just by typing things. This online strategy is absolutely free and it is also available worldwide. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Now, let us start this video. The first thing you need to do is to go to this very important website called typingtest.com. This is a website that allows you to take a 60-second typing test to measure your typing speed and accuracy. When you get to this site, you can press this typing test. You will get redirected to its welcome page. After that, you will also see that there are various testing time options ranging from 1 minute to 5 minutes. Now, log in to the site. Once you are done, make sure to choose 60 seconds for the testing time. Then, press the text and click the Start Typing on the More Options tab. Now, the timer will start and you can also start typing as accurately and fast as you can. Again, it will measure how fast you type. Now, this is really a convenient site because you can do this on either your phone or your laptop. The site also offers free typing practices and typing courses if you need to improve your typing speed. You need to take a typing test because this video is about how you can earn money from typing. When you type faster, you can earn more money. In this video, I will tell you different websites that allow you to earn money by simply typing. The first website that I will tell you about will allow you to earn $1.25 per minute. If you earn $1.25 per minute, then you can get about $75 per hour. If you can type for 3 hours, that would amount to $225. See, this is a great earning opportunity. You also do not need to worry because this is 100% legal. A lot of people also trust this site called Rev.com. Now, you can find this site on Rev.com. You will see that this page pays $1.25 per minute in a transcription job. They also charge the same amount for putting captions. Aside from that, you can type international subtitles and you can get paid $3 to $7 per minute. It is really an advantage if you know foreign languages. You can opt to do international subtitles and earn a huge amount of money for doing so. For example, you can just translate a Hindi film into an English one or vice versa. If the pay is $5 per minute, then you can earn $300 per hour by making subtitles. However, you can start earning money from transcribing if you are not knowledgeable in foreign language. To do this, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will see the Become a Freelancer button. Now, you can work from home on this site and they will provide you with a work schedule. It is very flexible and there are also hundreds of jobs that you can do. They pay on a weekly basis too. You can rely on them to deliver your payment in a timely manner. There is also another website that you can choose to use. It is called transcribeme.com. Once you are on their site, you will see the career opportunities that they have, such as transcription and translation jobs. For this video, we will focus on the transcription jobs. The starting pay is at $15 per audio hour to $22 per audio hour. They also have the top monthly earning amounting to $2,200. It is already very high. If you are earning $22 per hour and you do it for 5 hours, you can get up to $110 per day. Unfortunately, their pay is lower than Rev.com. Thus, I suggest that you choose to work on Rev.com. You will be able to earn more from Rev.com. Hence, you should join them. If you want, you can also simultaneously work for Rev and TranscribeMe. The choice is actually yours because the earning opportunity is already present on both sites. You can work on Rev and find another one on transcribeme.com. To join, just click on the Join Today button. You will get redirected to another page where you can register and join this site. This site is very accessible and flexible. You can use either your phone or laptop to work, and they also offer flexible work hours. You can really work at your own pace. One of the best things about this site is that it will also give you 2 to 4 minute clips. It is not lengthy, so it will not take much of your time, but you will still earn a lot from it. Now, just input your first name, last name, email address, and a unique password on their registration page. After that, wait for the confirmation link to be sent to your email. If you do not find the email on your inbox, check the spam and promotional folders. Just make sure that you will be able to activate your account through the confirmation link. On the registration page, you also need to input your PayPal address. This will allow them to send their payments to your account. Again, they will send a verification email to you, so always check your email account. It is important that you finish and verify your account to ensure that you will get paid. Another thing that you must remember is to always improve your typing speed. There are moments when they will ask you regarding your typing speed. The faster you type will increase your chance of earning more. Again, you can know your typing speed by accessing the site called typingtest.com. Just do the test and they will show you the results. You can check your typing test results in terms of words per minute. As an example, you can get 60 words per minute as a result. Then take a screenshot of it and send it to their email. Include in it the message that this is your typing speed. Once they see and like your typing speed, you will get more job opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? You can now start doing it. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.